everyone! Welcome to my channel, Lovely Shella. So today guys, magluluto tayo ng chicken with seafood stir-fry noodles. So first, isatay natin yung ating carrots, sliced carrots, and then we're gonna set aside. And then, we're going to saute our garlic and onions. And of course, we're going to add our chicken, and I'm using the chicken thighs, boneless. And I'm going to add salt and pepper para mayroon ng lasa yung ating manok. Ma-absorb niya yon. And then, pwede na natin ilagay. And by the way, I add chicken or cubes. Isa lang. And then, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating seafoods. And then after that, I add the soy sauce. Yung seafoods pala, it comes with the scallops, squid, clams, and crabs. And then, i-mix lang natin siya after nilagyan ko ng soy sauce. I add half cup of water and then pwede na natin i-add natin yung ating vegetables. And then, pwede na natin i-add yung ating vermicelli noodles or rice noodles. And after that, i-mix lang natin siya. Keep mixing until na talaga yung sauce niya, ma-absorb yung sauce or yung sa ating noodles. Yan, just continue mixing at saka yung ma-full na siya, ma-absorb niya na yung sauce or yung noodles. And you keep mixing and mixing. Ayan. And this is done. Look at that. Our stir-fry noodles. Our seafood, chicken and seafood stir-fry noodles. And it's ready to serve. Ayan, pwede nyo yung family, pang festa, pang birthday, pang long life. So this is our chicken and seafood stir-fry noodles. And here you go guys. Hope you like the way I cook. And please comment to the comment section. And don't forget to like. And don't forget to subscribe pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe to my channel, Lovely Shella. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Thanks guys. Bye!